Semi-automatic drilling machine is also known as CCD automatic guide hole drilling machine. Suitable. CD automatic hole drilling machine is suitable for PCB, multi-layer board, fiberglass, PVC panel, acrylic and other fragile plastic sheet positioning drilling. Product feature: high accuracy, overall error less than or equal to 0.015 mm. Fast drilling speed. The average drilling speed is 7 to 8 times faster than manual drilling speed. Only 0.22 seconds per hole. No material dragging, accurate positioning of icons and automatic drilling. Flexible materials and fragile materials such as acrylic sheets can be drilled by the machine without damaging the material.